How to cancel Skiplagged Flight? Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Skiplagged Flight, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Skiplagged Flight. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel the flight directly booked with the airline. If you booked directly with the airline, you will see an airline link to cancel or manage your booking, and you will get their phone numbers to call that airline team and tell them to cancel your flight booking. Following is the list of airlines with their contact numbers. If you have booked your flight from any of the airlines, then call the airlines on their provided number and cancel your flight. All numbers you can see on your screen. You will get a confirmation email when your flight is cancelled. And you are done. Cancel flight booked via booking partner on Skiplagged website. If you booked your flight directly from Skiplagged website from their booking partner, then you have two options to cancel your order. If you are within 24 hours of purchasing your flight ticket, then you will see a red cancel booking button. Click on that button and cancel your flight booking. You will get a confirmation email of your cancellation. If your 24-hour window is closed, then you will not see a cancel booking button. In that case, you can contact us at the phone number which is listed on your confirmation email and tell the team to cancel your flight. When you booked a flight, and you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily cancel your Skiplagged flight. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.